What's good, family? It's Trav Coop from Generational Wealth Vibes, and I'm hoping everybody is having a blessed day out there today. Man, I had to come back and hit you guys with another play. I know it's been a minute. I've been busy creating my first Amazon book selling course. I finally got it done. Now it's time to get back into giving more plays on this YouTube channel. All right, guys, today I want to talk about how we can drop ship a service. So the first thing we need to do is head over to Fiverr.com. I'll make sure to link that in the description. Once we head over there, it's going to be a list of different services they provide. Then under those services, they're going to have a lot of different sellers. I always make sure to buy the service or the product from the seller first, so you can verify that it's legit. So say for example, if you were looking at making websites, you would go to the different website designers. I would buy a website from them. Let's just say they're charging $200 to make that website, right? And you get the website delivered from the seller, however long it takes them. Let's just say it takes 3 days. Boom, once you get it back, they will have great customer service. They were able to do any implements or revisions. And then you build a connection with the seller. Let's just say if you send them 5 customers, would they reduce the price by 10 to 20%? So that'll increase your margin. So from here, once you have that website designer in your back pocket, then you can go out and start marketing to your social media. You can create a web page, whatever you need to do, saying you do website design, because it's almost like you're the boss and now you have a worker up under you. You've outsourced or delegated website design. So you're the boss here. You got website design. You can get another seller for logo design. You can get somebody over here for marketing. So you can build a whole company and use them as your workers. So you can say, hey, I do website design, I do logo design, we do marketing. But make sure you vet these sellers from Fiverr, because you don't want somebody to mess up your name saying that you do website design and then when they get it, it's not really, up to par. Make sure you actually buy these services or products from the sellers first to vet them to make sure it's legit. That's an easy play you can run, just transferring the services from one place to the other. And your markup price, let's just say if they're charging $200, you can charge $250, you could charge $300, whatever you think is reasonable. And then after that, once you give these sellers more business, you can negotiate rates for them. Maybe they were charging $200, but since you're sending them 10 people a month, they now only charge you $150. You negotiate, get a bigger bottom line, and hey, you can run it up from there. That's another play you can run to generate another stream of income. It's Trav Coop from Generational Wealth Vibes, and if you hadn't already, slide over there to IG to follow your boy at Travis_GWV. And if you hadn't subscribed to the YouTube channel yet, make sure you click that subscribe button. Man, we just hit over 200 subscribers. I said, wow. I know people make these big announcements when they get to 100,000 or 20,000. Man, I'm excited at 200 followers. I'm like, little old me. I'm surprised people are actually watching my videos. So guys, I'm excited. Each and every one of you, I truly, truly appreciate it more than you guys will ever know. Also, I'm giving away a free 24-page Amazon selling rookie guide, and this gives you the things you must know before you begin selling on Amazon. And if you're ready to take it up to the next level and add 5 additional income streams to your portfolio, I've just finished the course. I'll make sure to leave a link in the description for the free PDF and the course. Guys, y'all be blessed. Have a great day. Run that play. Leave a legacy.